Rayman Can. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a rising deck board.
First thing to do is to inspect the deck board in question to make sure it's salvageable. In this case, everything's okay. Now we're going to go ahead and just re-secure it to the joist. Next, we're going to remove the old deck screws or nails. In our case, it's screws. If you have nails, use a cat's paw tool with a hammer. Now we're going to drill some pilot holes a little bit deeper than the initial pilot holes. The screws that we took out were 1.5 inches. We're going to replace those with 2-inch screws. So we're going to drill down just a little bit deeper. Use a screwdriver or a pry tool to line the board up correctly before you drill your pilot holes. Now that we have our pilot holes drilled, we're going to go ahead and install our new longer 2-inch deck screws. Don't forget to use a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver to make sure the board is aligned correctly. Remember, try to sink your new deck screws just below the surface. And that is it. Remember, this only works with deck boards that are still in pretty good shape. If your deck board is really warped, it's probably better off to replace it. Take care. I'll see you all in the next video, and thanks for watching. Subscribe.